What's going on, y'all? Thank you for watching. My name is Bam. This is my channel, and it's all about my baby. Just want to first say thank you for all the supporters that I have, all the family and friends that believe in me, and just continuing to watch and just give me advice, great advice on being better. And usually I always look for that because you can never be good enough. I want to give a special shout out to I Heart Bully. They have a kennel with exotics, micro bullies, and all the etc. I don't know too much about that, but you can follow on Instagram at I Heart Bully. So today's video, I just wanted to go over the install of my Borla Atak on my 6.2 Sierras, 2014 Sierra Denali with a 6.2 liter. It's 4x4, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? Why not? I always wondered if I could do it without a lift, and I found out you can. You definitely can. It takes a little bit more work. It was pretty hard. There's one 13mm bolt there, and the ramps we used were Rhino ramps right here. We both had it under that wheel and that wheel. And the reason it was difficult because when you're trying to wiggle it out, your rear axle isn't fully extended, so it doesn't give you that clearance that you need. And the part that will give you the trouble is the tail of the pipe. And because of the angle, you're either gonna hit the ground or you're gonna hit the underneath the bed of the truck that keep you from getting it out. We figured that we almost gave up. Well, we figured it out. I got it to wiggle, and then we noticed that when the bed is, you can lift the bed up a little bit, you get a little bit more wiggle room. And my friend, my coworker, he got underneath the bed, put the weight of the bed on his back, and lifted up with his legs, and we're able to wiggle it out after a couple of tries, and that was relieving. Now on the lift, I got quoted for $100, but I figured it's one bolt to remove and the rest of it is easy to install. I should go ahead and try to put it on myself, and I did, and it was great. I'm grateful. I did it. I'm not the best mechanic, but I know how to work a tool and I know what I need to get it done. So yeah, it definitely worked. Next thing we're gonna do is try to dyno it. I seen on some forums that you know, just adding an exhaust to these newer trucks, you're not gonna gain anything. I had a 2003 Yukon Denali, and I put an exhaust on it, and it gave me hella gas mileage, a lot gas mileage more. So I kind of want to see what it actually does with horsepower and torque on this truck here. And I've seen some forums, you don't have any gains, you actually lose. And that's something I gotta know for sure. I actually seen a chart on a dyno of a 6.2, and it was reading about 386 or so. So I kinda wanna see, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you found this video informative, please like it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you have nothing else to do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me out, and just stay tuned for what I do next. Stay tuned for the dyno. That'll be coming within a week, and hopefully we have some good news. Thank you for watching, and God bless.